Hello friends, my name is Reza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic net present value. Friend, today's topic is very important and we have taken this topic from project management or PMBOK, project management body of knowledge, and today we will discuss this topic in detail. So first of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's just start, friend. Net present value. Friend, this is a topic, this is a method which we use for selection of a project whenever we are selecting a project or whenever companies are initiating a project. So this is the approach, this is the method which we use generally to decide whether to initiate a project or not. Okay, so net present value, basically this is a method which we use for project selections or project initiation, whether to initiate a project or not. So net present value tells you the net present value, the current value, the current present value of a project. Net present value is technically is the difference between the present value of cash inflows and the present value of cash outflows. Okay, so this is the difference between cash inflow and minus the cash outflows over a period of time. Net present value is used in capital budgeting and investment of planning to analyze the profitability of a projected investment or project. Whenever you are going to invest something or investment in a project, so you use this method. Basically, it is the difference between cash inflows minus the cash outflows. Okay, this is the main, you can say, the generic formula of net present value. Net present value is used to calculate today's value or current value of a future stream of payment. If the net present value of a project or investment is positive, it means that the discounted present value of all future cash flows related to that project or investment will be positive and therefore attractive. That means if it is positive, so that means it is good for investment. To calculate the NPV, you need to estimate future core cash flows for each period and determine the correct discount rate. The formula of net present value, this is the formula of net present value. Here the RT is the net cash inflow minus outflow during a single period of time period. I is this is the I discount rate of return that could be earned in alternate investment. T is the number of time periods. Basically in generic we can say, if you this is the if you see, this is a different formula. In generic we can say the net present value is TVECF minus TVIC. Here the TVECF is equal to current value of the expected cash flow minus TVIC is equal to today's, your current value of invested cash. Okay, so you can say it is the cash flow minus the invested cash. Okay, this is the, in generic, this is the formula, main formula. This is the main formula. Here just want to give you an example here, just to calculate that how we can calculate. For example, imagine a project that is the cost of that project is $1,000 and will provide three cash flows of $500, the uh, $300 and $800 over the next 3 years. Assume there is no salvage value at the end of the project and the required rate of return is 8%. So the NPV of that project is calculated is as follows using that formula. Okay, so using that formula, just put the values here. So 500, 300 and 800, okay, minus 1000. Okay, so you can calculate the $355. This is the net present value of a project over the 3 years, or three over the 3 years. So this is the net present value of a project, 300, 500, $355 of that project, which cost $1000 currently over the three years time period. So friend, hopefully you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you.